Hello my friend, now let me introduce this 2-axis CNC pipe bending machine. This machine is built from heavy-duty cast iron. The thick, heavy body absorbs working vibration, so the machine runs smoothly even during long-time continuous production. This machine has 2 axes, which are controlled by 2 servo motors. This one is for automatic rotation, and this one is for automatic feeding. The rest movements are controlled by oil pump and cylinder, so the machine can realize fully automatic pipe bending. It is fitted with single layer mode, which are easy to install and remove. This machine can bend not only round tubes, but also square tubes, rectangular tubes, oval tubes, and other profiles. The single layer model is very suitable for making products such as chair frames, bicycle accessories, and other simple shaped tube parts. Compared with traditional manual or semi-automatic pipe benders, it delivers great improvements in bending accuracy and working efficiency. Next, let's look at the machine head. Its optimized shape can reduce the risk of workpiece interference during processing.
To meet different clients' requests, we classify our IPC into 2 kinds of controller. One is 15.6-inch high-resolution screen. We call it Blma small IPC. The other is 21.3-inch high-resolution screen. We name it Blma big IPC. This is the big IPC. Both of our Blma IPC controller has functions as the following. 1. 3D SolidWorks step file of drawings automatically reading. 2. 3D workpiece realization in real time. 3. Remote control. 4. Intelligent mode library. 5. Offline pipe bending programming software for Windows PC. If we make a comparison between our Blma big IPC and the small IPC, the only difference is that we add the 3D simulation for our big IPC controller. Our Blma big IPC controller, 21.3-inch, now is a standard component for our pipe bending machine with the axis more than 4. Now let's do a real demonstration. It can feed tube and rotate the tube automatically. Compared with simple 50 NC machine, you do not need workers to turn the tube by hand. It can save labor and makes production faster. At the same time, all products will have the same bending quality. This machine can bend round tubes up to 50 millimeters. Manufacturers use it to make auto exhaust pipes, hydraulic pipes, motorcycle frames, and fitness equipment frames. If you make tubular parts with many bends in different directions, this 2-axis one-stack model is a good choice for you. You can send me your workpiece photos or drawings. We can give you suitable machine plans, price, after sales support.